Eric, we're Radiator Grille store here with another modification for the C8, the Z06, the E-Ray. We're going to turn these flappy paddles into some very positive detent magnetic shifters. And these are not just only magnetic shifters, we got a little special RGS surprise for you too. So wait to the end of the video to see that. Here's a look at the before. The stock silver panels look great. And we also have a little bit of data for you. This is the throw on the stock panel, about 10 millimeters. And you can see here, as we're moving back and forth, about 10 millimeters. Showing the stock clicking action. It's pretty good. A little soft, you know. We only need a couple tools to do this operation. We've got a trim tool, which we do carry in the store, T20 in ratchet, and then a small flathead screwdriver. We're going to start this operation by taking off this trim panel here with the little trim tool. We're just going to get behind here and give it a quick twist, pop that off. Then we have the two T20s here. Removal of the T20s. One thing to remember, either use a magnet tool to grab these or use your fingers. Do not drop these into the steering wheel. Now, once we have the T20s removed, the two T20s, we're going to be able to pull back. Do not pull back too hard. We do have one more electrical connector to access here, and we'll be pushing back on this middle silver gray. Push this back. And then we'll get in here, pull it back the rest of the way, and then we're going to separate the connector. Twist a screwdriver in between to get it to release. And here's the surprise we have for you. Take a look at that little Amplify orange paddle. We're going to see how this thing looks in here. This one does not need that little trim pad. It's got its own trim pad. And we're just going to replace the electronics, like so. Then we're going to fold this into place. We're going to replace the T20s, two T20 screws. Once again, be careful not to drop these things. Watch out for that magnet. Once we've tightened up the T20s, you don't need too much torque here. We're going to replace the trim panel, and you're going to repeat this for the other side. There we go. You can even hear that really positive magnetic shifter. Little quick comparison. One, visually, look at how that stands out with the Amplify orange car. Also, stock paddle. That's pretty good, you know, it's good. Look at that, look how short that throw is. Really cool. Super quick shifts, bam. Nice click, nice positive click there. Man, this feels good. Boom, boom, boom.